Welcome to this video tutorial on how to connect to databases. With Worksheet Systems, you can connect to any database that you have access to, either on the cloud or within your enterprise. First, start a new SQL connection. From here you can import the connection string or fill out all fields manually. Now test the connection and finally save. From here, you can view all database objects such as views, tables, and procedures. Now, if you return back to the home page, you can set the settings icon of your desired database. Then you can edit public access permissions to both the SQL Data API and Worksheets Data Studio. To edit the permissions of an individual, go to Permissions, then enter the username or email address of the desired individual, look up user, and then from here you'll also be able to edit the permissions of that user to access both the SQL Data API and Worksheet Systems Data Studio.